All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. And I just discovered the emojis here, which is hilarious for the charts here on TradingView. So I may start incorporating those a little bit more in the charts just because it's kind of funny. So looking at Algo here, Algo looks like this right here. So we're sitting at 18 cents. There's nothing on the chart at all that tells me that Algo is going to bounce and move higher. We're sitting right on the low from early March here at 18 cents. We're at 18.87, and it looks like we're about to drop lower. So we will go ahead and measure this here. So from this little guy here that looks scared because Algo is about to take a dump here, you're looking at about 16 cents for about a 14-15% drop. And then if 16 does not hold, you're looking at the 272 here for about 13, or the 1272 rather, at about 13 and a half pennies on Algo. So Algo does not look good here. The low from March here, we're sitting right on it. We're about to lose it. And the bottom down here is the low from December of last year. So 18, 16, and then 13, 14 cents is your next stop on Algo. Like I said, the RSI is way down here below the 50. It is curled up a little bit, but you can see that just reflected with this little green candle we had spawned in. MACD is below the 0, but you can see there's a huge gap in between the lines here. So that is not a good sign at all. If we switch over to the Heikin-Ashi candles, Heikin-Ashi is red, no shadow, no wick, and it just looks bearish in my opinion. There is no trend up. There's no momentum up for Algo at the moment. So at the moment, Algo is going down in my opinion. So I'm looking at 16 cents at least to get hit. If you lose 16, then this 13, 14 cent area is your next stop. But if for some reason, nobody has a crystal ball, but the chart tells me that you're not going up at the moment, you're not bouncing here. If you do, in fact, go up from where you are now, which you may bounce up here to 20 cents, but you're going to get rejected, in my opinion. So you're looking at a potential 7.5% move up, but you're not going higher than 20 cents here. There's just nothing. Let me move this little guy out of the way. So there's nothing helping Algo go higher than 20. So you may get a little bounce. We will draw a little line here. So you may get a little bounce like this, but you're going to get rejected at about 20 cents and then fall off the table, in my opinion, of course. But the reason I say that is you can see the 21, the 50 are curling down here. You have the 21, the 50, then the 200. You want these in reverse order to have momentum back to the upside. You want these to cross back over each other to have momentum back to the upside. But as of now, they're in this order and they're curled down. So this is only going to push the price down. So if Algo does bounce, it's going to get stuck at 20 and then fall off the table like we already said. So I'm looking for these lower price targets to get tagged on Algo. So look for 16 and then 13. And if you do bounce, 20 is going to be the highest you go. Unless some kind of black swan event sends us higher or, rug pulls us. But it is crypto, so we'll leave it at that. Just kind of watch those downside prices on Algo. And if you're in Algo for the long term, for the next bull run, then just take these prices as good discount DCA prices on Algo. Load up your bags at all these lower price targets here that we're pointing out. So yeah, we'll leave it at that on Algorand. And with that said, not financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace out.